DJI, the brand that dominates the skies with drones like the Mavic 4 Pro, might soon be rolling across your living room floor. Literally. A string of new leaks suggest that their first-ever robot vacuum, rumored to be called the DJI Romo, is not only real, but may be gearing up for launch. Let's dive into the leaks and whispers swirling around the Romo. Earlier this week, leaker Osida LV, well known for DJI scoops, posted a picture on X showing a pallet stacked with boxed DJI Romo units. Not a prototype, not a render. Actual product packaging, complete with what looks like a sketch of the vacuum and its docking station. So it's safe to say DJI isn't just toying with the idea. The Romo seems ready for retail. This isn't the first time we've seen hints. Back in November 2024, a blurry photo surfaced showing what was believed to be the Romo sitting behind glass. It didn't give away much, but it kicked off the speculation. Then, more recently, a screenshot of what appears to be the Romo's companion app popped up. That app allegedly includes mapping, AI cleaning, area-specific tasks, and scheduled cleaning. All the usual features you'd expect from a premium robot vacuum. But where DJI could stand out is obstacle avoidance. According to leaks, the Romo doesn't use a LiDAR tower like many vacuums do. Instead, it may be using a drone-inspired visual navigation system based on machine learning and camera vision. The same type of tech DJI uses in its drones for terrain sensing and flight safety. The leak claims it has 6 degrees of freedom sensors built into its body for obstacle detection and navigation. If true, that would make it one of the most advanced vacuums on the market in terms of spatial awareness. Think of it as giving the robot a pilot's perspective of your living room. Some sources even say the Romo will have an automatic self-empty dock and be capable of washing and drying its mop pad, similar to what Roborock and Dream are offering in their top-tier models. So yes, DJI's late to the robot vacuum game, but it looks like they're not coming in half-hearted. So, why is DJI doing this? Well, diversification is a smart move, especially now. DJI's drone business has been facing pressure, particularly in the United States. There's been talk of bans, with proposed legislation targeting Chinese-made drones. Even though the latest National Defense Authorization Act didn't include those bans, the regulatory heat hasn't cooled down. Add the uncertainty of US-China trade tensions, and you've got a strong reason for DJI to start looking at new markets. And robot vacuums? That market's growing fast. There's no single dominant player globally. Brands like Roborock, iRobot, Ecovacs, and Dream all have their strengths, but none of them have the kind of global recognition DJI does. Combine that with DJI's experience in sensors, automation, and consumer electronics, and a vacuum cleaner suddenly doesn't seem like such a strange move. Now for the million-dollar question. Will it be available globally? That's where things get a little murky. DJI hasn't officially announced the Romo. There's no launch date, no pricing, no confirmation it'll sell outside of China. With the US regulatory environment still volatile, it's possible DJI might launch the Romo in China or Europe first and hold off on the US market entirely. Some observers have even joked about the idea of letting DJI scan your whole home. Jasper Ellens, another reliable DJI leaker, tweeted, "Do you trust DJI Global enough to let them scan your entire home? I think I'm going to pass on this one." It's probably a joke, but given the privacy debates swirling around Chinese tech, it's not totally out of the blue. Still, we have to admit, a vacuum with DJI-level object recognition and motion planning? That's genuinely exciting. It might not fly, but it could still clean house in a very literal sense. So yeah, DJI's robot vacuum might be real, it might be shipping soon, and it might just disrupt a market that's been waiting for something truly different.